Hi there, I'm John and I'm a Zenfolio expert, and today I'm going to show you how to use the client login block to allow quick access to client galleries directly from your website. There might be cases where you have repeat clients that end up having multiple galleries on your website, or a client might end up losing the original email that was sent to them when their gallery was originally shared. Alternatively, they may just want a quicker way to access all the galleries they've interacted with in the past. There's definitely a way that you can do that. Client login block, which is available for you to use inside of your web editor with your website, will allow you to do just that. By adding the client login block to your website, your clients will have a way to enter their email address and password of the account that they created when they first viewed their gallery, selected favorites, or purchased prints. When that client logs in from the client login block, they'll see a list of all their related galleries all in one place. Here's how to do that. First, log into your Zenfolio account, and from your dashboard, click the website icon on the left toolbar. Next, select the page that you'd like to add the client login block to from your site pages stack on the left side. In this case, I'm going to choose Clients. Click the orange circle with the plus sign where you'd like to add the block. Scroll down to the Content Block section and choose Client Login. You'll see the block appear and a new menu roll out from the left. In this menu on the left, you can choose which devices you'd like to show the block on, different appearance options, text options, link options, background and scroll effects options for styling, and more. There are also various layout options available that you can click in the gray box on the right side to change.